Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix if your window cannot find the uninstall.exe. So I will show you the step by step process. So let's start the video. Okay, so first we need to go in that, come to the search bar and search for registry editor. Okay, just open it, and here we need to go in that HK local machine, just expand it. Now go to the software, expand it. Okay, now here we need to go in this folder which is wow 6432 node, and here we need to go in that Microsoft. Under the Microsoft we need to find that Windows. Just scroll down and go to the Windows. Under the Windows we need to find that current versions, and here under the current versions we need to find the uninstall. Here the uninstall. Okay, under the uninstall you can, this is a path. Okay, you can simply copy paste, or you can see here the path. Okay, here the uninstall folder. Now we need to, here the softwares. Okay, let me maximize this size. Okay, so here the softwares folders. Okay, you need to check that display name. Okay, here the display name, this is a software name. Okay, so what you need to do, just select every folder, these numbers, and check the display name. Okay, so if you found this folder, the display name is Microsoft Visuals Request Manager Visuals. Okay, let me check, the display name is Microsoft. Okay, so here we have one software which is the screen recorder, which is okay. So if you found, so you need to just find that display, software name in display, then just select that folder, right click on and delete it. Okay, after that you can go to the settings, go to the app, and go to the install app and search for that app. Okay, that app definitely will be deleted. Okay, from there. So sometime what happen, if you try to uninstall any software, then you will get this, error that you window cannot find that uninstall exe file. So you can do this, you can go to the registry, go here, select check that every folder and check that display name, and if you when you found this folder, sorry, software's name, just right click on delete this folder. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.